If you're looking to save money, lower your energy bill, and reduce your carbon footprint, you're in the right place. I would like to share with you 10 simple ways you can reduce your home energy usage. These tips are easy, affordable, and you can start using them right away. So let's jump in. Tip number 1. Adjust your thermostat. For every degree you lower your thermostat in the winter or raise in the summer, you can save up to 3% of your energy bill. Set it to 68 degrees Fahrenheit or 20 degrees Celsius in winter and 78 degrees Fahrenheit or 26 degrees Celsius in summer for optimal savings. If you're away from home, lower it even more in the winter and raise it in the summer to avoid wasting energy. A smart thermostat can make this even easier by automatically adjusting temperatures based on your schedule so you can stay comfortable while cutting costs. Tip number 2. Switch to LED light bulbs. LEDs use about 75% less energy and last up to 25 times longer than traditional incandescent bulbs. It's one of the easiest upgrades you can make. They also come in a variety of color temperatures, so you can choose warm, cool lighting to match your space. Many LED bulbs are also dimmable and work with smart lighting systems, giving you even more control over your energy use. Tip number 3. Use power strips or unplugged devices. Electronics still use energy when they are turned off but plugged in. Use a smart power strip or unplugged devices when they are not in use to stop the waste. Even small appliances like coffee makers and chargers draw power when idle. A regular power strip lets you turn off multiple devices at once, but a smart power strip goes a step further. It automatically cuts power to devices that aren't in use, preventing unnecessary energy drain. Some models even have remote control options, timers, and motion sensors, making it easier to manage energy use efficiently. A great place to use a smart power strip is your home office or entertainment center, where multiple devices are plugged in. Computers, printers, gaming consoles, and TVs continue to use electricity even in standby mode. By plugging them into a smart strip, you can reduce wasted energy without having to unplug everything manually. Did you know that phone chargers still draw power even when your phone isn't plugged in? Using a power strip or unplugging chargers when they're not needed can stop this trickle of wasted electricity. Over time, these small changes add up to real savings on your energy bill. Tip number 4. Use your curtains wisely. Open curtains during the day in the winter to let in natural heat from the sun. Close them at night to keep the warmth in. In the summer, do the opposite to keep your home cool. Consider using thermal or blackout curtains to improve insulation and reduce heating and cooling costs. I use relatively thick blackout liner like this one to provide insulation, especially in winter when we can feel the draft. Window treatments can make a big difference, particularly for older, less efficient windows like ours. Tip number 5. Wash clothes in cold water. Washing in cold water works just as well for most clothes and can save up to $60 a year. Use a high-efficiency detergent designed for cold water to get the best results. Also, try washing full loads instead of small ones to maximize efficiency and save even more water and energy. While we're on the topic of laundry, how about doing it once a week instead of multiple times? Doing larger loads of laundry less frequently saves energy by cutting down on the number of times you run the washing machine and dryer. Tip number 6. Seal air leaks. This keeps warm air in during winter and cool air in during summer. Don't forget to check less obvious spots like attic access doors, electrical outlets, and baseboards. A properly sealed home reduces strain on your heating and cooling system, helping you lower your energy bills. Tip number 7. Invest in smart plugs and switches. Smart devices like this let you control appliances remotely and schedule when they're on or off, so you're not wasting energy when you forget to turn things off. You can set schedules for lamps, space heaters, and even coffee makers. Some models even track energy usage, helping you identify which devices use the most power and adjust accordingly. Tip number 8. Use energy-efficient appliances. When it's time to replace an appliance, choose an Energy Star rated model. They use significantly less energy and save you money over time. Look for energy-efficient refrigerators, dishwashers, and washing machines to cut down on electricity and water usage. Even small upgrades like using an energy-efficient toaster oven instead of a full-size oven for small meals can make a difference. Tip number 9. Change your HVAC filters regularly. Clogged filters make your heating and cooling systems work harder, wasting energy. Change them every 1 to 3 months to keep your system running efficiently. A clean filter improves air quality and extends the life of your HVAC system. Tip number 10. Turn off lights and fans when you leave the room. It's simple but effective. Fans cool people, not rooms, so turn them off when you're not there. Same goes for lights. Using motion sensors or smart lighting can help automate this habit. Even switching to dimmer switches can reduce unnecessary energy use when full brightness is not needed. And there you have it. 10 simple and practical ways to reduce your home energy usage. From turning off lights to insulating your home, every small step adds up to big savings and lower energy bills. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button so you don't miss out on more sustainable living tips. And if you have your own energy saving tips, share them in the comments below. I'd love to hear what worked out for you. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.